Swami Vidaran says in Panchadashi 7, 9, 10, No asange ahankritarukta katham asmiti chet sunu eko mukhyo doa mukhya vityarthas trividho ahama. How can the idea of egoity arise in the detached consciousness? One has to attribute egoity to it. Reply is that I is used in three senses, of which one is primary and the other two are secondary. Anonyadhyas rupena Kütastha bhas yorvapu eki bhuye bhaven mukhyas tatra mudhai prayujite. The immutable Kütastha becomes identified with the reflected intelligence, Cidābhāsa, due to mutual superimposition. This is the primary meaning of I, which the spiritually dull people use. Kütastha is not the object of identification and is incapable of being associated with ego, but conventionally they are identified. Verse 11-12 says, Prithak abhas Kütastha mukhyo tattvavid पर्यायेन प्रयुक्ते हम शब्दम लौके च व्यतिके. I, in the two secondary senses, refer to either Kütastha or Cidābhāsa, but one is differentiated from the other. The wise people use the same word I either in the worldly or in philosophical sense, meaning Cidābhāsa or Kütastha respectively. लौकिक व्यवहारे हम गच्छामि इति आदिके बुध विविच्य Cidābhāsam Kütasthatam विवक्षति. From the worldly standpoint, when the wise say I am going, they mean reflected consciousness or Cidābhāsa, differentiated from the unchanging consciousness, that is Kütastha. Verse 13-14 says, Asango ham Cidatma ham iti shastriya drishtata aham sabdam paryukteyam Kütasthe kevale buddha. From the philosophical standpoint, I means unattached pure Kütastha. In this sense they say, I am unattached, I am non-dual self. ज्ञानिता ज्ञानिते तु आत्मा भाषा सेव न चात्मना तथा च कथम आभासा कुटस्थो अस्मि इति बुद्धिताम्. Question arises that wise or ignorant are terms that can be applied to Cidābhāsa and never to Kütastha. Then how can Cidābhāsa, who is different from Kütastha, say I am Brahman or Kütastha? Verse 15 says that Nai dosa Cidābhāsa Kütasthek svabhavan आभासत्व मिथ्यात्वात् कूटस्थत्व अवशेषणात्. There is no harm, for Cidābhāsa has no real existence independent of Kütastha. An image in a mirror is not distinct from the object of which it is a reflection. When the adventitious factors are negated, only Kütastha remains. Question arises that Cidābhāsa is a reflection only. How can it know? It can know because it being unreal, its properties are not. Its properties are the reality of Kütastha.